Hi, this is Mike with AskTractorMike.com. I'm excited today to tell you about a new feature I'm going to be offering on my YouTube channel and my website that I'm just going to start in 2019. And the idea actually came from my daughter. And I was complaining that I'm answering a lot of questions, and I'm not complaining about the questions, but I have to type a lot of answers in to send them back to folks. I try to answer every question I get, but I'm getting such a volume of questions that it takes a long time for me with typing with two fingers to type a response. And I was telling her about this problem, and she said, well, you ought to do a video Q&A. Everybody else is doing that. Well, I'd never even thought about that. So what I'm going to do starting soon is to answer your questions on video, because it takes me probably less time to answer a question sitting here at my desk in my little bedroom office on the laptop camera to answer the question than it does to type it all in. So what I'm going to do, if you're interested in seeing all the replies to all the questions I get, go to my website and sign up on the front page. There's a sign up form where you can sign up to get, and how I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it kind of like a video blog. Every time I answer a question, I'm going to send an email out to the people that want it saying, here's the question that we answered today. If you want to watch it, fine. If you don't, it doesn't apply to you, that's fine too. But I'm going to make it available to my entire audience. And that way, I'm still going to do a Thursday video. Every Thursday at 2 o'clock, I'm going to release a video. It'll be more edited. It'll be more widespread in the application of the information. But the specific questions like, can I get extendable link arms for my tractor? Or what does this button on my tractor do? Or there's hundreds and hundreds of questions that I get in a year, and I, again, try to answer all of them. But now when you ask me a question, and I love questions because they give me great ideas for videos, but when you ask me a question, what you may get is a link to the answer, and the answer will be on video. So I'm only going to send this out to folks that sign up for my on the website for my video blog, and once I get your email address and send these out, I'm not going to be sending you just advertisement type stuff. I'll be sending you videos. Now on the video, if somebody has a fire sale on equipment or coupons to offer on their equipment or something like that, it may be included in the email, but I won't send you out just specific emails trying to sell you stuff. They will all be answers to questions. They won't be highly edited. It'll be me right here at the desk answering the question. But if you really want to get to know tractors and get to know not only your tractor, but other people's tractors, and how maybe something that applies to a different brand may apply to your brand, go to my website and sign up. I'm going to try to do these probably once a week, but if I get 4 or 5 questions a week, you may get 5 emails, or you may get 1 email with all 5 videos on it. And I may miss a week in the winter because I don't get as many questions this time of year. But I'm excited to offer this. It's going to give me a quicker, easier way to get information out to you. And hopefully it helps expand your knowledge base on tractors. So please, when you get done watching this, go to my website and sign up if you're interested. I look forward to sharing more information with you in the coming year.